Hello, this is Yura. I made the following video with the AI. I hope you will like it.
I typed send an SMS to my phone number, message, hello from OpenCode, and my AI agent just texted that number using an MCP server. Watch this video to see how I set this up in OpenCode in under 5 minutes. To create the solution, you need to follow these steps. Set up Ozeki SMS Gateway, connect it to the mobile network, add a new MCP user, edit the OpenCode configuration file, start OpenCode, and send your first SMS. As the first step, we need to download Ozeki SMS Gateway and install it on our computer. We can install it on Windows and on Linux. In this example, we install it on Windows. The download URL is in the description. Next, we need to connect Ozeki SMS Gateway to the mobile network. There are two ways to do this: to use an Android mobile phone, or to connect directly to the SMS center of the mobile network through the Internet. In our example, we use the second option. We use SMPP to connect to the SMSC of our SMS service provider. Once our SMS connection is working, we need to create an MCP user account. This will allow us to connect our AI system to the SMS gateway using an API key. After the SMS gateway is ready, we need to create the MCP server configuration file for OpenCode. I put a sample JSON config into the video description. The final step is to test our system by sending a test SMS from OpenCode. You can do this by instructing the AI in plain English. And that's all it takes to turn your AI into a texting machine. Subscribe to unlock your AI's superpowers with other exciting videos.